Okay, everybody, so this is going to be a quick little tutorial of Infogram. I'm not going to show you everything like I did, same way I did with the others, but I'm just going to so you can see if it's something you want to use. Infogram is specifically used for charts and graphs. And you'll see on your directions, I asked you that you don't just use Infogram as your main graphic creator, but if you'd like, you can create a chart or graph here and then place it on your graphic in Piktochart easily. Simply because if you just use this, I think it's a little less work than someone who's working on a little bit fuller graphic on one of those sites. So I'm going to show you, I'm just going to pick one of these to show you. We're going to go to chart or graph. I've already logged in, of course, so if you do this, you'll have to create your own accounts, free again, and just remember that name and password. So I'm just going to pick a random chart here for you. We'll do a pie chart because I feel like we use pie charts a lot. You can pick any type of pie chart. I'm going to use the donut, which is a pretty popular one. And then honestly, all you really have to do with these is change what it's measuring and what those measurements are. So if I want to add a title, I could add a title here. So like, who students vote for, or something like that. If I want to change these stats, you just double click on one of those colors or really anywhere in the graphic, and it's going to pull up a chart that's already pre-made for you, okay? When you change these, you have to change what it's measuring. So in that case, it was the area and the population. And you also have to change, obviously, the color code at the bottom that says what you're measuring. So in this case, if I want Republican, Democratic, I'll say Democrat. We'll say the Green Party. We'll just add 3 here for now. You can delete whatever you don't need. This information would obviously have to be based on research or an actual poll, and you don't have to use both of these columns. So you can get rid of one altogether and its information just by deleting, and then you plug your new information into here. So if this is 56% and this is 32%. There you go. And then, oops, I just clicked backwards. But when you're done with that, I'm going to click on another one just to show you. Instead of saving this like you would the others, which I show you in a different video, I'm actually going to have you guys screenshot these so you can add them to your other graphics. So to screenshot, you click Shift-Command-4 at the same time if you're on a Mac, which you should be. And then you click and drag the area you'd like to screenshot, which I think would be the key and the chart. That's going to screen grab that. That's going to end up on your desktop, and it's going to be called screenshot and then a bunch of numbers. So then when you go to add something to your other graphic, if you just want to upload a photo, it will be a photo on the desktop. So that's probably your best bet there. Really good site to create charts and graphs, but that should give you a good start.